Goes on so he to translate for me. Also, I would like to thank God so much. 1 year already not here. Many changes. I saw some many children taller than me now. Some very fat, bigger than me. Thank God. Anyway, thank God so much. Put change the peace of God more. Today, my title talking about the real happiness life. How can we have a real happiness life? How can we have? We are Christian. We are different from the people outside. We are different from the people non-Christian outside. Maybe we should get. I have to stand still for a little bit because someone will take a photo for me. Thank you. Yeah, if I move no good. Yeah. Now, today I will tell you the real happiness of Christian life. Many people know the Lord. Thank you. That's why many people outside know only the Lord but cannot follow the Lord. I live in Bangkok. And the Bangkok, the governor announced not allow the people cross the road. Yeah, when you cross the road, the governor create the bridge, cross the bridge, you know the bridge. You have to cross the bridge. So they don't allow you to cross the bridge. Cross the road. To prepare the bridge for you, you have to cross the bridge. Okay. One day, one Chinese auntie. They carry the basket, they go to the market. And the police look at her. They go, auntie, you cannot cross the road, you have to be fined. Because the first time, if you don't know you cross the road, police will fine you 50 baht. Auntie, very angry. But I always just to cross the road, why you call me to pay the money? You're very angry, right? The Chinese style like that. Always. And then she angry to the wall. Give the money 100. Give for the police. After give the police 100, she walked. She walked cross to the same road. Auntie, why you give me? I try you only 50 baht. You give me 100 baht. I didn't give you change. I didn't give you the change. The auntie said that no need to give me the change. I give you 100 baht 2 times. Later will come back to
tapi tak kita kaki belah pun itu.
Police or the Many people know the law.
Kalau jauh aman ni, tiada orang tak boleh
They
tak tahu.
don't follow the law.
Tiada awak tiada bawa dah.
Follow their own desire.
Awak tiada bawa tiada tak ada cium dah.
Mea.
Mea.
We are Christian. The Bible said we saw see that Colossae 3.
Awak kau dah pakai pun ni pun dah boleh sesuai lah. Ami keba bala kalau saya cakap.
Yeah. Support that as God chosen people.
Sepuluh tiada lah berbahasa apa? From
Start from 12 to 13. The word Colossians chapter 3. Support that
kalau saya cakap campur siki, tilan sini,
and then the Bible said that you are as God chosen people.
sesuai sepuluh tiada bawa mungkin pandai berbahasa orang bawa.
Oh, we have a character like Jesus.
Kalau bawa dah tak patuh batadi dalam saya seperti.
First, Jesus is our life.
Terkan ni saya seperti ni dah bertahu no.
How about in 12 to 13?
Apa orang awak ciki dah tidak cita ni.
Yeah. You cannot have a holy compassion, many things, the characteristic of Jesus.
Betul dah tak sota sui dah tak le community tak le tak boleh di mana kami tu betul dah sesuatu cakap.
How can you be holy?
Pakai sesuatu tidak kaya bila. Mia.
How can you be holy?
Pakai sesuatu tidak kaya bila.
You can be holy because Jesus is our life.
Na sesuatu kau pula saya supreme.
When Jesus is our life,
Hey, saya supreme tahu
we
mu.
have the fruit of the Holy Spirit.
Oh dah tak lah.
Mea.
Mia.
That's why if Jesus is not your life, if Jesus is not your life,
saya supreme tapi orang tahu mu buat ni dah.
or maybe you have to change it. If Jesus is not your life,
Saya supreme tu orang tahu mu buat ni
you
dah.
cannot produce the fruit of the Holy Spirit.
Na dua dah ada tak tiba dah.
Mea. That's why you do nothing without Jesus is your life.
Na malah nanti no tapi saya supreme tu orang tahu mu buat ni.
That's why the characteristic of Jesus,
Aku ni sesuatu lah tiba apa awak ni bakar saya supreme.
because you let the Jesus conquer in your life.
Aku ni pakai pelai dah, pakai syara bawa mu ni dah saya supreme keper syara awak tahu mu buat.
How can you have a characteristic like Jesus?
Na me orang tak patuh tadi dah saya supreme.
How can you have a man? When Jesus is our life, oh, you have a characteristic like Jesus, oh, compassion, holy, love, everything happen.
Kalau saya supreme orang nanti kita ada punya, orang tak
When
tak
Jesus is our life, you come to the church, you have to say each other, 打哥的鸡巴没有 speak each other, 打哥的鸡巴 You have to speak each other because so happy Jesus is your life. Every day, every time you come to the church. Right? Are you happy? Are you happy to see each other? Yes.
Nanti tak kira nanti kita tak kuat ya.
Yes? Yes, you say each other, speak each other. Tak kira
Ter kalau tidak ni saya, kalau kami dah ter kalau tidak.
Can you say 打哥的鸡巴呢？咱俩说话，都比不得了啊，不得了，打哥的鸡巴呢？没有，no. But sometimes you
Macam
love.
itu kalau tak, dapat ter lalu tak kira cipa nak.
Oh, when you come to the church, you bring your friend, smiling face. 没有，smile for 你个会啊？
Kalau terus ni pergi ke bumi ya.
Kata la bayu atro, tak kira cipa na. No, tak kira cipa na, 你个会没有？
Tak kira cipa nak ni kembali ke bumi mah, kami tak kira cipa nak ni.
That's the first. When you come to the church, you're happy because of Jesus is your life.
Kalau ni hela terus punya kau boleh tak kira kau boleh saya seperti orang tahu pula.
Because Jesus is our life, put to never stop smiling.
Awak saya seperti orang lagi tahu ni, nak putih ni ada ada. Betul nak boleh kalau
Ni
ni.
ni ni cái mũi nha, ni cái mũi ni họ ta ô ba, ni ở chủ cái ta trả chi phải không? That's why we know if your Jesus is your life. Second,
Awak tiba-tiba yang lagi saya sekolah tahu ni.
happen in 14 seconds. Yeah. When Jesus is your life, oh sorry now. Okay. We'll change the seat again. Okay, yeah, good. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. Okay, we have a different now. Yeah, if Jesus is your life,
Kalau saya sekolah tahu ni.
second,
tanah
happen in 40. Happen in the word 40.
apa yang bagi pahala ciri bunyi.
If Jesus is your life, second, you have a love like Jesus.
Awak pelak saya seperti mana tahu bunyi. Maka tidak saya seperti itu loh.
Yeah. We not use our human love. We have a love like Jesus.
Pada tu dapat nak cara wajah bapa menukul.
Why you have a love like Jesus? Why you have a love like Jesus?
Bapa menukulan tu dah tak ada tak saya seperti.
Because Jesus is our life.
Kalau saya seperti orang tahu mula.
Without Jesus' love,
kalau saya seperti saya pun ni,
you can do nothing. You can't do nothing. You cannot do anything.
Mana tidak
Yeah, maybe I speak too loud. If Jesus is your life, you have a love like Jesus.
Kalau saya seperti orang tak pun ni.
How do you know?
Bayar dari tak saya seperti.
Why you need a love like Jesus?
Menukulan balu bab saya di tak saya seperti.
Because of God's love the world, Jesus sacrificed His life on cross for us all.
Kalau saya seperti, kalau saya dah aku dah saya seperti. Hello, lah.
Yeah. You can see when you become a boyfriend and girlfriend.
Nanti kita kita dah tidak apa ni.
Every time I meet you, because I meet you every time.
Apa yang berarti kalau dah tapi gimana ye ni.
I love you.
Ye na do mah.
After married, no, I love you. I kill you.
Awak pelajari lori kira dah gila juga mati lah.
Because our love can fade out.
Kalau lepas ni kami ni cepat lihat tapi.
Because human love just temporary. Human love just temporary.
Pakainya tak ni dah tak sesuatu loh.
But God love is a permanent love.
Saya ada ni minta Allah SWT.
I remember when I met Peter name unknown. Peter name unknown.
Awak Peter ni mila unknown.
When I met her, I love her so much.
Tapi saya tahu ni tak ada rumah dia.
Every time, I met her, I was so happy because I love her.
Awak tak tahu rumah kau belum tak ada pun.
Every time, I love you 5 years.
How ni dia dah tak enak lagi ni tahu ni.
Before Prota.
Terkeluar Prota di mana?
Yeah, promise each other.
Allah Taala tegarnya.
We call each other Ganejo, honey Ganejo.
Perkala tarengan ni lah hai ni lah Ganejo.
My wife, my girlfriend practice when meet each other. Ganejo.
Kalau awak tidak ada blog ini, awak tidak ada Ganejo. Kami ni kalau tadi dah hai ni.
After married 6 months, not call me Ganejo, call me Twin.
Pulang lagi dah Ganejo tu awak dia lagi.
My goodness, I'm a talak pado. You call me Twin pado.
Aku ni dia dah pado ni kota ni kalau tu pado ni.
I'm a pastor.
Yang ni ada tahu pun terang.
Church member, listen to me, obey me.
Yo dah tahu pupuk ada pakai.
Many church members said I come. When my wife called, come, not come, go.
Tahu pupuk dia tala he, mimi taman dia leo.
Because we live together.
Kau perlu lepas di tahu pun.
That's why you know me well. I'm a pastor. But before, my wife always teach me.
Tak kiri mana taman tahu ni tu loh.
Yeah, I said After marriage, I always teach my wife.
Lepas dah wala kiri ni taman tu dah mama.
Because of if you not join of that assignment.
你没得错了，那个啥样路吧你？
哦，不对，我们多落的，西多多了大，哦，大个少，啊，个地呀，我个啥哟？你错了大个啥哟？咩啊？你错了大个啥哟？哦，你错了大个啥哟？啊的，个啥哟？啊，地呀个啥哟？啊，地呀个啥哟？大户，大咯啦，咩啊？啊，但咯啦个啥哟？大咯啦，不对了，这，伊个地呀个啥哟？错了大个啥哟？爬到咩啊？阿门。哦。
Terus sing biar lah ni.
That's why.
Mata lu correct.
Oh, no need to translate.
No, it's fine. It's fine. Keep going. Keep going.
Right?
Yeah.
Oh.
I don't want to speak Chinese either. So you speak.
Okay.
Keep going.
知道吗？
Yeah.
我知道了。
毕竟呢，你好吗？得了。
哦，知道。这地呀，地呀个啥哟？那地呀个啥哟？你错了，啥个啥？个啥哟啊？个啥哟啊？个啥哟啊？我 ask many 哦的多呢。个啥哟啊？个啥哟？跟那个意思。个啥哟的阿嬷的阿爸的阿姨婆婆的哦，个啥哟咩？个啥哟爬到哦，错了大个啥？你就话哦，不对了哦，在地下吧，不对了，only thing I'm a person。
不对了，人家但yang tahu ini mah, yang lah kalau kami dah tahu putra dah kau.
That's why you have to learn have a Jesus is our life.
Aku ni berubah malu di dalam buku dah saya sebelum tahu buku
If Jesus is your life, you have a love like Jesus.
Tahu buku saya sebelum ni sebelum saya sebelum.
It's not your love.
Kami bakal ada tanya bang.
The Galatians chapter 2 verse 20.
Galatians chapter 2
verse 20.
Galatians chapter 2.
Sabolu said that I died with Christ on the cross.
So you want me to read it?
Read.
Okay.
Yeah. Galatians chapter 2 verse 20.
Galatians chapter 2 verse 20.
Yeah.
Galati chapter ki chapo ki deura yeduti khuli tala tusunya luda krili basa do yemu do basa temil ba yaba mimi krimu le yudo.
Yeah. What the meaning? What's the meaning? I crucified my life on cross. My life no more. Jesus. Amen. If Jesus is our life, you sacrifice like Christ.
Saya sebelum tahu ni,
God chose me to live in refugee camp. God chose me to live in refugee camp.
Awak saya kucai ala kebak mula awak.
Only one Chinese. Only one Talu. Only one Talu. I'm a Yo Talu. I'm a Thai Chinese.
Awak memang you terus.
Maybe have to change. You know, God chose me to live there.
Intinya saya kucai ala kebak mula berpedi.
With the Pakanyong.
Dah kuda pakai nyawa tu kelas.
That's why God knows everything.
Aku ni saya tinggal dah kelar.
God will use my life
Saya tu tahu
to challenge people.
lagu para orang apa ala.
That's why I have to sacrifice my life.
Aku ni tak kebak tu cara.
I have to love like Jesus.
Tak kebak ada di dalam sesuatu.
I have to cholo taka sayo Mea.
Me.
Cholo taka sayo kuta po o chuo ke ta ku de ma ni ka wi ni po ta o ba o chuo ke mea. O ta kuta po ni no need to translate. Ya so ke na ta kuta po hi mun ko po mea pi mea. Ya pi ni ka muni ka muni na ta ku la ti ba na ta ku ni ka muni. That's why if you come to the church ni ka muni ta ku de ma.
Kalau ni halat terus ni kebumi tak ni kebadi lah, jangan.
The first
Terus
first
Terus
I I know 30. 30 car. I know what's the fun.
30 khai mi là đấy.
Fun. The what? Quiet. Jesus is our life.
Sanskrit.
No.
Sanskrit với tao
What? You have to answer me. What? How about give the message what you need? No. Jesus is our life. Potato, I don't want your answer. I need your answer. Yeah. Yeah. Second. Wow. You have a love like Jesus.
Thì cái bài đã đi tận Sanskrit.
Yeah. When you have a love like Jesus. Jesus said that you know Jesus well. Jesus, if you know Jesus well,
Mình tin rằng Sanskrit vì này.
you will love God more.
Thì cái exai ở đó.
And the Pharisees come and ask Jesus, what the great 10 commandments?
Đó và Pharisee hay Sanskrit đã tiếp qua đó, bác hà là ta mà lộ bờ xin nó.
Jesus answered,
Sanskrit xí sâu đấy.
not tell them about 10 commandments.
Sanskrit theo với tiếp bác hà là ta mà lộ bờ xin.
Jesus said that love God most with all your
Ta là cái Sanskrit theo này.
With all your heart. Love God most with all your heart, with all your soul. Wow, like your second heart.
Ta là cái Sanskrit xí sâu này, nó cái bài cái sai là lên tu kita.
Love God most with all your heart, with all your soul, with all your strength. Now, if you exercise your
Cái bài cái sai là lên ta temu.
you love others as yourself. You will love others as yourself.
Cái bài bài đi ta đón kita ta đó.
How can you love others as yourself?
Mình dia bài đi ta nên là ta này.
Without God love. Without God's love. How can you love others without God's love?
Mấy cái bài đi lên đi đâu sai là cái bài này.
Mẹ, exercise you. Look at each other. I love you too.
Cái nó tadi tu tadi dia nasi kalau.
Exercise you. Put to your exercise you. And I love the Lord so much too. Yeah.
Terus nasi kalau.
Every time we meet each other, we need the way. Chẳng hạn.
Pemimpin dah tadi petaku dah pening bumi lah.
That's why come to the church. You have to use God's